Today I'm building my own set, not just buying one. If you're tired of pre-made gel polish sets with colors you never use, this video is for you. I went ahead and picked 4 gels and then got 4 free gels. That's already 50% off. Modelones reached out and gifted me these, and it was so much fun to create my own custom set. I didn't get paid for this video, so these are my honest thoughts. Most of the products were packaged individually, and then these came in little boxes. I also got a thank you letter. It was a super cute detail. And I love how they offer a reward program and some nail care tips. Okay, let me show you all the products I ended up picking. The first one is a thermal color, meaning when you put your nails under different temperatures, the colors will change. It's a dark color that turns lighter. It looks so cool. Then we have this beautiful sparkly green. It looks more green in person, but it's definitely giving teal on camera. This next one is a basic white color. You know you can never go wrong with a pure white. Then we have another thermal color. This one changes from dark pink to light pink. I can't wait to try it. Next, we have a beautiful sheer glitter color. I would definitely use this to layer it. This next color was literally the first one that caught my eye. It's one of my favorites. It's a rainbow cat eye, and it looks so majestic. Just look at it. And it also comes with a magnet. The next color that I got was this beautiful sparkly red. This one is a vibe. As soon as I saw it, I was like, yes, I need that color on my nails right now. And then the last color we have is this sage olive color. It's so pretty and versatile. I feel like you could wear this all year round. Then I'm going to be doing my nails with that red color because, you know, I just fell in love. It was literally love at first sight. And I'll also leave the link to this deal on the description down below. You can use the code Modelones20 for 20% off of orders $50 or more. Only if you want to, though. You don't have to. And then look at the first coat in the flashback compared to the second coat. The color is so mesmerizing. But then I ended up adding a thin line using the white polish by removing most of the gel off of the brush and doing a simple French tip. I start on one side and then connect the middle point by doing the same on the opposite side like this. I checked for any minor touches and I cured and applied a top coat. And here are the final results. What do you think? Do you think these nails are holiday approved? Let me know. What are you celebrating? Are you celebrating Christmas, Hanukkah, Kwanzaa? Let me know, girl. And stay tuned for another video tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Bye.